What's going on, you guys? Back with another vlog. If you hear some little rattling or change, that's just my dog in the back, so don't mind him. So today I'm going to be installing my gauges, not exactly to the engine, but into the pillar pod and into the car. Right now Jeremy has my engine, as you guys know. So today is actually Thursday, so I'm actually going to go ahead and get to this. If you never installed one of these before, because I never did, it was kind of like difficult for me to like really understand how to do it, because like, do I have to put it in this way or something? But if you put it in this way, I'm gonna show you guys. If you put it in this way, it looks like that, right? You're not supposed to. At least I feel like it could just come right out, right? Because it's not gonna hold in there. Like there's nothing to hold it in there. Like I said, this is my first time doing it, so if you guys are like, what the hell? Then my bad. But you put it in through the front. So just put it in, boom, like that. See, ain't going nowhere. Don't laugh at me. I really didn't know. Like that's how it's gonna sit. You know what I'm saying? And then you just put on the cover. Simple as that. Now as far as actually having it mounted in the car, like this thing, you're gonna have to drill. At least I am. Or screw it in or whatever. Into the I don't know what this part is. Whatever this part is attached to in there, like you gotta like put some screws in there so it'll stay in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of these in. And how I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna put the air fuel ratio in first, because I feel like that one's more like an eye view for me, and I want to make sure that I always know my air fuel ratios. And then second, I'm gonna put I think about putting my oil pressure right there, just so like, you know, like things that are important to me. Like you want to make sure your air fuel ratio is right there. That's important. Then you want to make sure your oil pressure is right there. And I think the last thing I have to worry about is actually my boost pressure, because that's like the last thing I want to worry about. Really, like I know I'll be making boost, but if my air fuels are messed up, who cares how much boost I'm making? You know what I'm saying? Like I don't want to mess up my car or mess up my engine, you know. And then you want to make sure your oil pressure. So it goes to me, or for me, preferably, I want it to go from what's more important to me that I want to see first, because that's what, like it's gonna, like I said, it's gonna be eye level. Like it's gonna be in a car like this, it's gonna be eye level. So it's gonna be, okay, air fuel, okay, shit, oil pressure, blah blah. Anyway, I'm gonna get to this, but that's just how I'm gonna install mine. Everybody else has their own preference, I'm sure, of which ones you want to have in there. Like I said, some people might be just boost happy, want to just put the boost gauge in the bottom. Hey, more power to you. Me, I want to know my air fuel ratio and my oil pressure first before anything, especially air fuels. Okay, so now that we have all the gauges installed in the pillar, this is looking so dope. Look at that. Now that I have it all installed, we're gonna go ahead and install it in the car. I can't wait. I've been waiting to put this in. Oh, look at that. Look at that. All AEM, all name brand. It's gonna look so good. So good. Alright, now that we have the pillar pod installed, let's go ahead and go to the car. So I find my key. Alright. This should be hot. Still gotta put this sunscreen on. But this is the other one that I got from my friend, but I'm not gonna use this one. So it's probably gonna be like the best kind of angle I can give you guys. Damn, I still got this thing in there. I got too much stuff in here. You guys can't see this, but there's like little screws right here. These little screws right here I'm about to take out. So yeah, it's gonna be like a sucky angle for you guys, but it's not bad taking them out. Okay, so the actual pillar pod is too long, so I'm gonna cut it right here, and I'm gonna try not to mess anything up because it's already like plugged in. I should just unplug it. It's my body. I really want to mess something up. Okay, almost done. Sorry I didn't tell you guys. My bad. Sorry I didn't tell you guys the process of actually me doing it. It was kind of tedious. Alright, so what I did was, this is for my boost right here, and this one is for my oil pressure. And what I did was I ran it through the firewall right here. And that hole same where my air filtration was coming out of, this little hole right here. And then I squeeze it through here. This is pretty tedious. That's why I didn't record me doing it. But it'll come from over here. Like here's, oh, I got trapped ISO again. Alright, so when you get it, it's gonna come through the little, see, can I see that little hole right there? That's the hole that I pull it through. You just feed all the way through, you get the wires, right? Here's one of them. And then you make sure you go up over the steering column. I can't say on a light, but go over the steering column because you don't want all your wires hanging right there. Go over the steering column and put it right over here. Like you have your, sorry if this is like blurry, you guys. Let me focus on. Alright, so this is where your, where's my fuses at? Okay, it's not the fuses. But here, okay, I'm gonna show you. So there's the little button right there, see? Okay, I see where you at? Come right here and go through this way. When you go through there, what you're trying to do, you're trying to fit it through here. And what I did was I used one hand and I pushed it so I could see the end of it right here. And then I just use a screwdriver gently, you know, like that. And I pried it back a little bit and got a little bit through it. And then push it through and then did it again. And then, yeah, just just like that. So don't do what I did and I already have it plugged up because that was hell for me trying to actually do all that. That made everything worse. So yeah, so all everything I do now is just, since everything's fed through, just mount it and then it should be done. Alright, so I actually gotta cut some more of this off because it's not sitting right. So here we go. Hope you guys can see this. Actually works. Alright, cool. One thing I need to do now is just bolt it in. These wires are gonna get out. This goes up in here. When you do this, it's like tedious because you gotta go back and forth. You gotta pull some, loosen it, pull some wire through back in. It's a tight spot. So make sure you grip the wire. You grip the wire right here. Don't pull it from here. You'll pull it out pull the wires out. Back in. I gotta pull these wires back down and feed them all through because I don't know if you guys see this, but it's all loose wires. I want that to be like flush, you know what I'm saying? But then I need to drill right here and go into this housing. It's gonna be a scary part because I gotta make sure if I hit a wire, I'm gonna be. So, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and do this and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Did it. That shit look dope. Oh my gosh. That is so dope. Race car life. Look at that, you guys. Oh my god, that looks so good. Look at that. Bro. Let's get a juice back. Look at that. Oh my god. Now that's a race car. Race car. Gee. Come, this is my car. Yo. Don't worry about the ratness. That I gotta fix all that. But dang, bro. Dang. That's dope. That is dope. I just can't wait, you guys. I can't wait for this build to be like I can drive the car. Like it's been so long and I've been taking care of so much other stuff. There's been so much going on. I was glad that I actually always be done with this car, man. For the most part, to like driving and stuff. There's a few things I need to do still left on it, but all in all, I can't wait so I can actually drive the car. So it's gonna be pretty cool. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm trying to keep you guys updated as much as I can. I'm not sure if you guys get a vlog this weekend. I am going to record the stuff though when we're putting in the engine and everything, but I'm not sure when I'm going to upload it. It depends how my weekend is and what I have planned. So I'm going to try to push another video out for you guys as soon as I can, you know, according with my schedule. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys enjoyed the updates. Shout out to all my new subscribers. I'm actually almost to 6,800. I'd probably be at 10K by now if I was like more consistent and had a lot more content, but you know, it is what it is. So yeah, shout out to all my new subscribers, and I hope you guys enjoy the new content. Make sure you follow my personal Instagram page at DC_crush. If you just want to see my car stuff, you know, just go DC.crush at the end of the credits. Hit my Snapchat up, add me on Twitter, all that good stuff. Yeah, it's pretty much that pretty much wraps up the video, you guys. Pretty much wraps it up, and I'll see y'all in the next episode.